Hello guys, new day, new vlog. So I am outside with my two little bunnies, Aiza and Anaya. Yeah? Yucky. Yucky. So I was holding Anaya. Aiza not kicking. And Aiza wanted to come also. Yeah? Anaya. Aiza, don't be grumpy. And she insisted to put different shoes on her. It's Anaya here. It's Anaya here. And she wants to put her ponies in the water, which I throw water here. Still she was jumping with ponies in the water. See? Why does I need to take bath? Yeah. So we are back inside. As I was picking up her letters and numbers cards. So why we came inside? Because Anaya looks a bit sleepy, so maybe she will nap. And I was still playing around. It's enough to be outside. And I have one question, maybe two questions, maybe one question. So one question is, tomorrow my phone contract is finishing and I can upgrade to another one. And I'm so confused. I'm not sure which phone to take. I'm thinking iPhone 11. It's a bit expensive. But for me, my main reason why I want iPhone 11 because of camera, because I'm making vlogs and videos on the phone. So yeah, I need advice which phone to take, iPhone 11 or different brand or different iPhone. If you know and if you can suggest anything, please leave a comment below, because I'm gonna upload this video. Today's Friday and I'm going to upload this video. Usually I'm uploading videos the same day, midnight. So tomorrow I can buy, and I'm thinking to buy iPhone 11. Still thinking, because it, as I said, it is expensive. But maybe it's a little bit like investment in my vlogs. It will be videos better quality. And I need memory as well for video. And another thing, I need to start Aiza to the potty train because she's 2 years. She will be soon 2 years and 1 month. So I'm thinking when it's summer, when she's outside, maybe that she can be without nappy. I'm looking at her. I don't know, does she understand this thing about? So I'm thinking while it is summer and hot outside and she can be without nappy, maybe to start to take off nappy while she's outside playing. At the same time, I'm thinking while she's playing and busy, maybe she's not gonna think even about nappy. I don't know, but I need to start training. And the main thing, in our home, it's everywhere carpet, everywhere, sitting room, upstairs, like in the bedrooms, everywhere carpet. So if she will do, potty on the carpet, it's not really good. So I don't know if you can give me some suggestions. All suggestions welcome, because I don't know what to do. I need to decide, because summer is kinda over, so I need to think about it now. Yes, and yeah, see you later. Kids sleeping. So my husband, he's back from work and he's with Anaya, so I sneak out to the bedroom while Aiza is still sleeping in a next door bedroom, feeling sleepy. And from tomorrow my husband, he's off. He is on holidays for 1 week, and Wednesday and Thursday we are going to another city called Chester City. It's like 1 hour away for Anaya's therapist. and then Friday is Eid. I can't wait for that. I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear on Eid, either clothes which my friend's sister sent from Pakistan, or either something else. Let's see. Not sure yet, didn't decide it yet, but I uploaded video today, like memories when we've been in Orenek Center for Nice Rehabilitation, 2 weeks rehabilitation. We are planning to go in 3 weeks time back there, so it was just like memory lane, how she was doing there, and I decided to make video. So I upload videos like random video, but for me it's like memories. And let's see how she will do now after how many months will be after 6 months. It will be 6 months, so we've been in February and we're going August, so 6 months gap. So let's see how she will do now, and maybe she'll have more therapists there, and I'm not sure if she'll have a same therapist, but yeah. So I'm going maybe to nap, or if not nap, and just lay down to rest a little bit. Yeah.
Eat, apple and banana.
Yeah, he do it.
Huh?
Sleep. Anaya, are you in the garden? Are you taking off daddy's shirt?
I like to eat apple and banana. I like to eat. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going?
Yeah. Missing your sister, yeah?
I like to eat.
And my food is done. It is called in Lithuanian Kugelis. It is potatoes, and here is, yeah, everything is up basically. Let's eat.
Being terrified of being judged. It's the defense, right?
Are you lifting your head?
So, you deciding what this is going to mean now.
And I lifting head?
The rest of your life.
Yeah?
And ultimately, the person who's worthy of you
Anaya, do you hear me?
will only find you if you give your all.
Fun.
If you giving your all, chose the best name.
Wow. She's fighting as well against sleeping. Your people are very nice. So guys, I just saw previous clip and I was laughing. Usually she's laughing when we are touching her, tickling her, playing, like physically playing with her. And today, for the very first time, she started laughing while watching my Aiza like dancing, playing in front of her. I just to my husband like, look at her, she's laughing. So she was laughing. And then I tried to do the same again in front of her. Like Aiza and Aiza jump also to do the same. And again she's laughing, but my husband, he's a bit slow motion. I said take video. So she was laughing, and then in the very end he took video. So you can hear a few times like she laughs. So it's a nice laugh. It's not a particular laugh, but it's a nice laugh. So it was so nice to hear for the very first time that she's laughing by seeing something. So it is like small improvement in her. Yeah, no, you're dancing and you hit your head. You're jumping like a monkey. Come. But doctor, Mama called the doctor, and doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. I know that. I know you're a monkey. You're born to be monkey. Well, be careful, okay? And yeah. Ow! So, are you pinching Mama? No, it's not nice. And from tomorrow, my husband, he's on holidays. Actually, it's like midnight, not midnight, but like it's already on holidays. He's not going tomorrow to work, so he's off for 1 week. Yay! Yay! I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So we are planning to go somewhere on Eid, maybe for 2 days. Not sure. And then Aiza, and then 2 days. And his 2 days we will go to Colchester and Nova City for Anaya's therapy. And yeah, and it is nice. And I think so it's that time of the day when we saying thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Please like, subscribe and leave comment below. Bye guys.